Well, I'm right outside the Mehrauli police station. I've been trying to get a response from the ACP, but because it's a Sunday, the police officers do not bother to respond to our questions. I'm also joined by Sneha's sister and a grieving mother at this point. We're talking about a 19-year-old overachiever, Sneha Debnath, who went missing, and it's been 6 days, and there are no clues about the whereabouts of Sneha Debnath. She was last seen on the Signature Bridge in Majnu Ka Tila. There are 60 CCTV cameras there, all of them defunct, and that is why the police is telling us it is becoming difficult to trace her movements. And we will also speak to the sister right away that on 7th July, the day she went missing, later that day, you found a suicide note, an alleged suicide note. What did it say? What do you think? Does that give any hint about her whereabouts?
No, I mean it doesn't. I mean it can't. A suicide letter can't be of 4 lines, right? It doesn't make sense at all. If you read the letter, it's there's no clue. Why was she depressed? What was happening? Nothing. It's just a crisp 4 lines.
And the location was mentioned there, signature.
Very, very specifically, the location was mentioned. If she really wanted to die, there's a lot of ways to do it at home, nearby. You don't have to go all the way to a place where 60 cameras are not working. It does show something, right? It could be somebody has told her. Somebody could have, manipulated her. She's just 19. She could be an overachiever. She's smart. At the end of the day, she's just 19-year-old.
Yeah, and she had a lot of hobbies. She was doing 2 degrees at the same time, and she was just 19 years old. Auntie, बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट टाइम जा रहा है अभी. अभी तक आपको क्या लगता है कि स्नेहा कहाँ हो सकती है? वो लास्ट क्या बात हुआ था आपका उनके साथ?
मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. वो जब जा रही थी मैंने कैब में फ़ोन किया, अब वो रास्ता देखते हुए जाना. ठीक है मम्मी. उतरने के बाद भी मैंने फ़ोन किया, अब तुम उतर गई? हाँ मम्मी मैं उतर गई, मैं पेमेंट कर रही हूँ. तो मुझे वो फ़ोन से पेमेंट करेगी तो मैंने फ़ोन रख दिया है. मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. 19 साल के लोगों के लिए होगा, मेरे लिए तो मेरे 6 महीने की बच्चे है, पूरे दिन मेरे साथ चिपके रहती है. मम्मी ये देखना, मम्मी वो देखना. एक कपड़े एक रुमाल भी खरीदती है तो मुझे ला के दिखाती है. पहले अगर इधर खरीदेगी तो मुझे फ़ोन करके बताएगी मम्मी देखो ये कैसा लग रहा है. तो ठीक है.
आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा क्लोज थी वो. तो
चिपके रहती है, पूरे दिन मेरे छाती में चिपके रहती है. कुछ काम कर भी रही हो तो मम्मी इसको छोड़ दो, बाद में करना, आके मेरे साथ लेटो, मेरे साथ ये शो देखो. एक एक शो हम दोनों ने 10-10 बार देखा है. मैं क्या करूं?
हाँ, मेरे डैड ने अपनी पूरी आधी ज़िंदगी इस नेशन को दे दी. अब जब उनको उनकी गवर्नमेंट की या इंडिया की ज़रूरत है तो वो गवर्नमेंट ही उसकी हेल्प नहीं कर रही है. उन्होंने ऐसा क्या करा है? वो ही इज़ सफरिंग फ्रॉम अ किडनी फेलियर. वो इंसान 2 दिन 7 तारीख को 9 बजे से 12 बजे मैं मेरी माँ लिटरली लोगों से भीख मांगी. हमने फ़ोटो दिखा कि आपने इनको देखा, आपने कहीं इसको देखा है. 8 तारीख को भी हम गए हैं. तो अब कैसे पता चलेगा? और आपके सीसीटीवी कैमरा काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, आपसे कुछ हो नहीं पा रहा है, कॉल रिकॉर्ड से पता नहीं चल रहा है, मैकबुक नहीं खुल रहा है. आप
Bipasha, you have been making the rounds in all these police
Exactly.
stations. You have been making those calls. What kind of response have you been getting from the police so far?
I am 24 at the end of the day. I am alone. I have to look after my parents, both the parents, because they are not in a condition. I am running from this place to that place to third place to fourth place, and everywhere I go, I hear the same thing. The magic doesn't happen in one day. अरे तो आपको 6 दिन हो तो गए. It's been 6 days. What are you looking? What are you getting? You don't even have a assigned unit till now. A assigned unit. मेरे investigating officer को time भी तो होना चाहिए केस देखने का. I am not blaming him. He is the most sensible officer in this year. He is not getting the time to investigate only. उसको दूसरे काम में इतना उलझा के रखा है, इतना उलझा के रखा है. कल ही मैंने बोला एसीपी के सामने, हम सब के सामने, देवर स्टूडेंट यूनियन, देवर पीपल फ्रॉम द मिलिट्री पुलिस, दे इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम. उनको तब पता चला है. द एसीपी डजंट नो. ही इज टेलिंग ही इज कॉन्स्टेंटली वर्किंग ऑन योर केस एंड एवरीथिंग.
After the suicide note, do you think if she's alive or abducted, we don't know anything about her at this point in time, right? And because you're saying Signature Bridge has become a blind spot because none of the CCTVs are working, that is a failure of the Delhi government as well. We're talking about the national capital, and Signature Bridge is, of course, it's very crowded, populated. It's a hotspot for young people to gather there. it is a failure of the government as well. But at this point in time, do you think, the suicide note that you shared with the police officer, what kind of response did you get from the police there?
Initially, they all said that it's a made up thing. She has not done suicide. They still believe that it's a made up thing. She has not done. Yeah, exactly. आपसे body भी नहीं मिल रही है, आप suicide भी नहीं है, तो क्या है sir? Even if she's a runaway, she must have had made calls, right? She has must have made calls to 10 different people, right? आप check करिए, वहाँ से भी आपको कुछ नहीं मिल रहा. We have given you the CC MacBook. आपके we have given you the MacBook. It's been 6 days. आपसे MacBook नहीं खुल रहा है. You have the cyber unit. You have the forensic unit. And it's Delhi capital. और आप Instagram बच्चे हैक कर लेते हैं. Literally बच्चे हैक कर लेते हैं. आपकी टीम से are you even coordinating with them? I feel like we are doing more work because the investigating officer is not even getting the time to work.
And now the Chief Minister of Tripura has also tweeted. The Chief Minister of Tripura has also tweeted about this. It also sheds light upon, not just Sneha's story, but about the safety, security, dignity of so many young people. And I also want to shed light on how was Sneha Debnath personally, in her personal life. And you're a cousin of Sneha. Please tell us, she was a bright student. She was doing dual degree and she was earning at the same time.
या शी इज़ जस्ट 19-year-old किड. पूरे मैं बोलूँगी पूरे ख़ानदान में, मतलब हमारी पूरी फैमिली में शी वॉज लाइक रिस्पेक्टेड एट द एज ऑफ 19. वो 2 डिग्री साथ में कर रही है. IIT मद्रास से एक डिग्री कर रही है एंड DU से एक डिग्री कर रही है साथ में. एट द 19 years old शी डोंट वांट एनीबॉडीज मनी नाउ. शी इज़ अर्निंग एवरी डे. शी इज़ गेटिंग समथिंग. शी इज़ डूइंग समथिंग. इतना करने के बाद उसको डिप्रेस होने के लिए टाइम किधर है?
No, but still we understand mental health horrors are sometimes completely, difficult to fathom. And keeping her achievements aside, did you see any kind of symptoms for that matter? कि वो बात नहीं करती थी, hopeless हो जाती थी, anxious होती थी.
The thing is that she lived with us all her life. Being her sister, elder sister, I would have seen something, right? She was there with my mother all the time.
24 घंटा नहीं, वो कुछ भी दुखी नहीं होती, हमेशा मेरे साथ चिपके रहती है. कुछ भी कर रहे हैं तो छोड़ दो, ये कर लो, वो कर
कोई बात से वो टेंस नहीं थी, स्ट्रेस
वो सीधे मेरे साथ दिन भर मजाक करते रहती है. मम्मी कितनी छोटी हाइट है आपकी, कितनी छोटी हाइट है, बस किसी बात के लेके कुछ भी बोलो तो बस ऐसे हाथ उठा के दाग दूंगी आपको. ऐसे
आपका क्या डिमांड है पुलिस से?
बस मेरी बेटी को कहीं से भी कोई भी ढूंढ के ला दो, चाहे कोई भी हो. मुझे और कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, मेरी बेटी चाहिए बस. मुझे और कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि मेरा छोटा सा बच्चा है, वो पूरे दिन एक ही बात करता है.
So the question remains, where is Sneha Debnath, and will the Delhi government and the Delhi police finally wake up from their slumber and find this 19-year-old girl who is nowhere to be found since 7th of July?